Welcome to Empower with Pulkit, where we unlock the potential of technology and innovation. Today, we're diving into the top tech skills in demand to ensure your career thrives in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Imagine a world where your skills set you apart, where you're not just keeping up, but leading the charge into the future. That's the power of having the right tech skills. From AI and machine learning to cybersecurity and cloud computing, these are the tools that will shape our tomorrow. But it's not just about knowing the trends, it's about mastering the skills that will drive them. Whether you're a developer, a data analyst, or even a tech enthusiast, staying ahead means being fluent in the languages of the future: Python, JavaScript, and SQL. And let's not forget the soft skills that bring technology to life: creativity, problem solving, and empathetic communication. These are the skills that will empower you to not just use technology, but to create solutions that resonate with people's lives. So whether you're starting out or gearing up for the next leap, remember, the future belongs to those who are prepared. Equip yourself with the skills that matter, and you'll not only future-proof your career, but also become a beacon of innovation. Thank you for joining me on this journey at Empower with Pulkit. If you found value in our discussion, please hit like and subscribe for more insightful content. Together, let's build a future where technology empowers us all.